So for this one, it's helpful to have a person standing on it, and if it's near your concrete drum, you can scoop in and get some concrete and then pour it into the slump cone. You want to fill it into 1/3 of the height. So when you think you've got 1/3 of the height inside of the concrete, you want to rod it, and you want to rod it 1 inch from the bottom. So a trick is to grab the rod and then go up about 1 inch and put your hands on it so that you hold it in your hands. And you want to rod it 25 times in sort of a random location within the circle. The hands on there helps you to get the right height. Now that you did 25 times, we're going to scoop in more now that we get to the 2/3 of the height. We want 1 inch into the previous layer. So if you can estimate where that is, again, hold it at that height. And you want to rod it 25 times. Now you want to fill it all the way to the top and maybe a little bit over the top. And like this, in 1 inch into the previous layer or thereabouts. So 25 times again. You might notice on some of these that the height drops. You can fill it up to the top. You want to strike it off either with the float or with the rod. And then before you get up, you want to clean all of the concrete around it. Now use the handles to hold it down as you step off. And then we're going to lift it straight up. So, up. You want to balance the rod on top of your cone. And then you want to use the ruler to read from the center of your cone to the underside of the rod. And you want to read to the nearest 1/4 of an inch.